Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and welcome to our channel Bib's Life and the US. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to our channel Bib's Life and the US. Grocery shopping from Walmart guys. Ayan, toaster strawberry, ketchup, slapaju, peanut butter, this liquid oil because we cook binangkal guys, we use that kind of oil. Bread, paper plate, chips, chicken, fish fillet, banana, pepper. This one I started to do. Sausage, another sausage, buns, hotdog buns, bread, taco, bell, seasoning, red pepper crust, tortillas, coconut milk, hotdog and yakult. And the total is 6,300 pesos or $105. Okay. Bread ito guys. Kasi expired na. Lagay ko doon sa puno kasi kainin to ng bird at saka ano guys. Squirrel. The one I put over there. What is this? Beans man to. Still not proven. I don't know this one. Starting grow na siya. Hindi pa masyado. Need to wait for few days that. Ang sinya ko guys, kaya namulak na. Wow, so beautiful. Lot of like that too. This is the first spot. I make a walk little bit guys. Time now is 10:23. Maybe 7 minutes walk. I'm done pouring water to my plant. Ito guys. Naglagay ako nito. Ay, kapinahin ng ano. Langga. This tree is grown. But never will flower this. Let's walk little bit there. Over there. And then we need to come back. I told my husband I'm going a walk. That flower gayo, very nice. Look at that. Amazing flower. Mag-walk lang ko guys. Just looking out. Very nice flower right there. The flower is so nice. And the flower too. Very nice also. Oh, so love that flower. So beautiful. Wow. Really nice flower. This one's. Wow, this house is very nice, huh? Lot of house for sale right here. I think we need to come back. This flower guys, so nice. Nag-walk lang ako ng 10 minutes walk. We need to back home now. It's summer here guys. Nice to roaming around because people do gardening, planting flowers. I can't wait my flowers bloom, but as of now still not still not do flower. This is in Malay. I'm trying to do over her. Let's see if it grow. I don't know.